Kung may totoo lang maski isa, I will hang myself in front of you. You can summon, I will sign a waiver, all banks, pati yung World Bank ng Amerika. Kung may isang totoo lang nakiting, I will resign and I will ask my daughter to resign and everybody in the family. That is my guarantee. And I will hang myself.
Will the former president be okay that if we draft the waiver now, that it be signed today instead of tomorrow? Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Hindi, ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll give you, no. Sasampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
Session suspended.
Session suspended.
Yes. Sabi
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, should we not
Chair.
ask Madriaga to submit first the waiver?
He submitted already. As a matter of fact, after you signed it, Mr. Madriaga, kindly show it to the committee. Kindly show it to the committee.
Kanino po ako mag-oath, Madam
Mr.
Chair? Mag-oath po dun sa... Hindi na po mag-oath sa...
He's already under oath.
Yung para po sa waiver po, hindi na po kailangan.
Okay. So before finally excusing Mr. Madriaga, we are requesting you to stand up to swear us to the veracity of your waiver of bank secrecy law.
Madam Chair, before the affiant takes his oath, may we just know if it has been explained to him, if his counsel has properly advised him about the waiver that he will take an oath to.
Mr. Madriaga, nauunawaan niyo po ba itong waiver ng bank secrecy na law na ito at ang magiging epekto nito?
Opo, Madam Chair.
Ibig sabihin po nito ay mabubuksan yung bank records nyo na inyong binanggit sa inyong supplemental affidavit without us violating the bank secrecy law. You are losing the protection of bank secrecy law. Naunawaan nyo po ba yun?
Opo, Madam Chair, I'm fully aware.
Ito po bang isinagawa ninyong ito ay may paggabay na ibinigay sa inyo ang abogado nyong katabi nyo ngayon, whom I know is Attorney Palad.
Opo, Madam Chair.
So, naiintindihan nyo po ang inyong ginagawang ito?
Opo, Madam Chair.
Okay. So, kindly raise your right hand. As to the contents of this waiver of bank secrecy law, do you subscribe and swear to the truthfulness of the contents of this document? You do.
Opo, Madam Chair, I do.
Thank you. So you may take your seat.
Salamat po.
Again, for the record, this waiver of bank secrecy law will be received by the COMSEC to form part of the records of our proceeding today.